Morning, everybody. May 1st, early morning. Got a sale off eBay. It was s- uh, well 8-foot baseboard heater. What I got from online auction probably a week ago, maybe a week and a half, probably a week and a half ago. Paid $25.11 for. I got two of them, but one sold today. So I ended up having a watcher today, and I ended up sending an offer, 10% off of what I had. I originally had it listed for $61.99 plus shipping, and I sent the offer of 55 and some change, I think, and they accepted it. So they paid for that plus shipping, which was $33. So it came about $94 altogether, and that's pretty good for me, especially on the first of the month. First sale started. That's pretty good. So that's about a $40 profit for me, dealing with that. So I got one more left. Hopefully that gets sold quick or soon. But either way it goes, one of them was gone, which is good. When I originally bid it for these on that auction, I told y'all it was like 4 or 5 different listings, but they were different sizes, and me not paying attention, I didn't know I was bidding on 8-foot ones. And so with me bidding on that, and I ended up winning both of them, and I got outbidded on the smaller units, which I mean I could have bid more, but after I figured that I already bid for these, I was like, I'm not about to spend more money, so I just dealt with it. So one of them was sold, and this person, I gave him 3 choices: either local pickup, UPS, or FedEx. They chose FedEx, so I'm gonna get this on together. I put some plastic around the end parts because there's a little bit of damage on the box, but as far as the unit, it's new. So that's probably it. I'm gonna tape it up a little bit more and print out the label and ship it on off. So with that said, I got some stuff from the auction, online auction, that I won last night. I recently just picked up some stuff that y'all probably saw, and now I got to pick up some more. There's some coins, some like collector's coins. I kind of feel I probably made a mistake and probably shouldn't have bid it on these, but I'm gonna see how it goes. So altogether, I think it's about 3 different listings of coins and that I got, which totaled up to like $66 some change. So once I get those, I'll let y'all see, and I'm gonna get them listed and see what I can do with that. I don't know. I kind of feel I might lose money out on it, but all in all, it's all good. It's a lesson learned. But till then, I will see y'all maybe later on today if I get another sale. But if not, y'all take care. Stay tuned for life. I'll catch y'all later.